Welcome to Art Hub. Today I'm going to draw tooth and a toothbrush. This little tooth is trying to brush himself. Brushing your teeth twice a day is good. Now let's draw a brush. He's holding this brush with his little hands. Make it more neat. It's time to color. I'm using rainbow colors to color the brush bristles. You can use any colors you like. I'm using markers. You can use color pencils. Yellow color, green color, blue color, pink color. Now let's color the brush. I'm using pink color. Now let's color the foam. Now it's time to color her cheeks. And there we have it. It's so cute. Subscribe for more fun videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.